So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete stickers in iPhone. So first of all, in order to add stickers, you will need to go to some picture and just hold on an object until you get the option to add to stickers. After that, go to your messages, and under your messages, you can go to your sticker collection by clicking on this, and you will see some stickers I've added here, and you can click on the stickers that you will get this view right there. Now you can choose to drag this sticker across so you can add it to these messages. You can see the plus sign right here, or if you hold long enough, you can see here add effect or the button delete. Now if you click on delete, you can just go ahead and see it makes a poof animation and then it's gone. And after that, you won't be able to use that sticker. You can again find it in your gallery, but as it's connected through there, you can add it again, but you won't be able to use it once it's deleted through there. As you can see, it looks something like that. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.